Remember 2020? Suddenly everyone was stuck at home, and just as suddenly, we all decided to become plant parents. Plant shops sold out, online nurseries boomed, and our living rooms turned into jungles almost overnight. Social media feeds exploded with glossy monsteras, proud new plant parents, and endless tips, some helpful, some not so much. Suddenly everyone was an expert, debating humidity, sunlight, and the spiritual needs of their leafy friends. So let's separate fact from fiction and actually learn how to keep our green companions happy. Ready? Ever heard the myth that you shouldn't cut off yellow leaves from your plant? Yellow leaves happen for lots of reasons. Maybe your plant is aging, got too much water, or not enough light. It's totally normal. Many people hesitate thinking the plant needs that leaf, but actually, yellow leaves are done helping your plant. One common mistake, leaving yellow leaves on for too long, hoping they'll turn green again. But once a leaf is yellow, it's not coming back. Snipping them off keeps your plant healthy and looking its best. Just use clean scissors or pruners and cut close to the stem. Your plant will thank you. After removing yellow leaves, you'll notice your plant looks fresher and can focus its energy on new growth. So go ahead, give your plant a fresh start. Quick tip: check your plants weekly for yellow leaves and remove them as soon as you spot them. It's an easy way to keep your green friends happy. Let's bust a big myth. Only water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. Sounds simple, but it's not that easy. Different plants need different care. A cactus and a fern, totally different water needs. The top of the soil might be dry, but the roots could still be soaked or bone dry. The 2-inch rule just doesn't work for everyone. Instead, get to know your plant. Check the soil deeper, watch the leaves, and adjust as needed. Forget the 2-inch rule. Listen to your plants and you'll keep them happy and healthy. The next myth: never repot a plant right after you buy it. The fear was real. I used to leave plants in ugly nursery pots for weeks, but most plants are tougher than we think. Repotting into fresh soil is usually a relief for them. You're giving them room to grow and better nutrients. If a plant arrives half dead, sure, let it recover a bit. But for healthy plants, repot within a day or two. They usually thank you with new growth. Here's a weird one: don't water your plants at night. The idea was that water would sit and cause fungus or rot. But think about rainforests. It rains at night all the time, and those plants thrive. Watering at night is fine. The real key is good airflow, well-draining soil, and drainage holes. If you're worried about wet leaves, water the soil directly or bottom water. Don't stress about the clock, just water when your plant is thirsty. Your plant doesn't know what time it is. Don't overthink it. One less thing to worry about. Remember the trend of sticking aerial roots in water vials? The claim, it would make your plant explode with new leaves. What actually happened? The roots grew more roots, nothing else changed. Aerial roots help plants climb and absorb moisture, but putting them in water just makes more roots, not more leaves. You end up with a hydrated elbow, but the plant grows at its normal pace. Want to use those roots? Guide them into the soil for stability, or snip them off if you don't like the look. Save the water vials for actual propagations. The chunky aroid mix trend suddenly, everyone was mixing bark, perlite, and more for every plant. For aroids it's great, but not every plant wants chunky mix. Ferns and calatheas need more moisture. Chunky mix dries them out. My new approach? Start with a basic potting mix, then customize. Add bark and perlite for aroids, sand for succulents, peat for ferns. You don't need a complicated recipe, just think about what your plant needs. Desert plant? Use sandy soil. Jungle plant? Keep it moist. Do what works for you. Don't let soil snobs make you feel bad. So, we've busted the myths and freed ourselves from plant care anxiety. The truth? Plants don't care about trends, they just want what they need. Pay attention, trust your gut, and learn as you go. Your relationship with your plants is yours alone. Every dead plant is just a lesson for the next one. The goal is to find joy in nurturing and watching them grow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more.